Hello dear students, today I am going to start with a new chapter, that is rounding numbers. Rounding numbers. By the morning of the Excel T20 cricket final, 70,229 tickets had been sold for the game. During the interval between the two innings, the commentator announced that 70,229 people were there in the stadium. Was he right? More tickets might have been sold later that day. Some people might not have come. Some people might have gone out of the stadium. So, there was no way of knowing the exact number of people in the stadium. The announcer could have said that about 70,000 people were there in the stadium. In that case, we would say that 70,229 has been rounded off to 70,000. Now looking at this strip, if we look at the position of the number 70,229, it is closer to 70,000 than it is to 71,000 or 69,000. So 70,229 rounded off to the nearest thousand equal 70,000. For this rounding off, let us call the thousand place the rounding place. Now, the steps for rounding off whole numbers. If the digit on the right of the rounding place is greater than or equal to 5, add 1 to the digit at the rounding place. Else, do not change the digit at the rounding place. Step 2. Replace all digits to the right of the rounding place by 0. For example, round off the numbers 349, 1263 and 9715 to the nearest 10. Taking the first number, the digit to the right of the tens place in 349 is 9 and 9 is greater than 5. Therefore, 349 is rounded off to 350. Taking the next number, the digit to the right of the tens place in 1263 is 3 and 3 is less than 5. Therefore, 1263 is rounded off to 1260. Taking the next example, the digit to the right of the tens place in 9715 is 5. Therefore, 9715 is rounded off to 9720. Now, some exercise question. Question number 1. Round off to the nearest 10. 42. The digit to the right of the tens place is 2 and 2 is less than 5. Therefore, 42 is rounded off to 40. Second question. Round off to the nearest 100. A part 260. The digit to the right of the hundreds place is 6 and 6 is greater than 5. Therefore, 260 is rounded off to 300. B part 1892. The digit to the right of the hundreds place is 9 and 9 is greater than 5. Therefore, 1892 is rounded off to 1900. Question 3. Round off to the nearest thousand. A part 5845. The digit to the right of the thousands place is 8 and 8 is greater than 5. Therefore, 5845 is rounded off to 6000. B part 9,10,734. The digit to the right of the thousands place is 7 and 7 is greater than 5. Therefore, 9,10,734 is rounded off to 9,11,000. Question 4. Round off. A part 56,748 and 2,32,497 to the nearest 10,000. Taking the first number 56,748. The digit to the right of the 10,000s place is 6 and 6 is greater than 5. Therefore, 56,748 is rounded off to 60,000. Taking the next number 2,32,497. The digit to the right of the 10,000 place is 2 and 2 is less than 5. Therefore, 2,32,497 is rounded off to 2,30,000. Question 5. 36,48,271 rounded off to the nearest thousand is 36,48,000 and B part, the nearest lakh is 36 lakh. Children, we will continue with this topic further. Thank you.